your swing set.
I did. Let's go in the house. One day I swing and I'm coming back. You, in case I got your present, I'm drinking pink slush. Slush. I want you to visit me. Your movie. I love your recording. And want to see how high I can swing now?
Having fun, Jen?
Yeah. Did you get the backwards one? Let's send him the cake. Well, when you come visit us, I want to bring you to New York City.
Ride on the carousel?
Yeah, the carousel walk to Liberty. And I want to go to Central Park. Whee! I'm gonna move back there in a bit. And I'm gonna bring them with. Mom, would you put all the flowers inside a bag so we can move back to Chicago and visit you, and I'm gonna live in your house then. And I want to move and come back. Daddy,
Want me to film it? We're gonna play it back before.
I'm not a very good singer. I get goofed up sometimes. Hey, Mommy. Whoop. There's a line on a spider on my swing set. Watch this. Now come on this side. Oh, it's funny. You fit my leg under that again. I don't even hurt myself. Whoa, whoa. I talk with my boots. Case, I love you a lot. Soon I'm gonna move back there, and I'm gonna live with. And soon I'm gonna visit you, and also, and live in that house with you, Keith. Hey, Michael. Our cousins are over Caribbean, Keith. I love you. Dennis, hi. Yeah, how I hold Lauren. She's so cute. Now take a picture of Stacy. Take a picture of her, Mom. No. Take a picture of her, Mom. Oh, and this is my friend Stacy. The one with, well, she's 11. She's bigger than everybody. She's bigger than all the children. So big.
Oh, don't wobble her head around.
Well, look at her. Stacy traded me for Sky Dancer. I'm sorry, Mom.
Open your big eyes. Show them how big your eyes
Mommy.
are. Show them your big eyes.
Mommy.
Hello. Yeah. I know. What else? What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
That's when I keep her from talking. That's how
What? What?
That's how I get her talking.
What? What?
Dancing.
Let's see some talking, Lauren. We'll say hi to Keith.
What? What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Play. I'll have for you, I'll have for me. Look at she talks.
Looks like she's sleeping.
She's
I
talking
want
to
to
me.
stand up and say
She
hi
wants
to the
stand
world.
up.
Let's stand up. Let's stand up.
Then wear your shirt.
No. Okay. Let's say hi. Go, go, go.
Hi,
No,
hi,
jump, jump, jump.
Hi, 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 hi.
Whoa.
Hi, hi.
Well, you're a little bit chubby, huh?
Ooh.
Look.
No, when Nikki's standing alone, I lift her one leg and he falls down. Lauren's a Mommy, let me talk to Keith. Lauren's a wiggling. Lauren keeps on wiggling every time Mommy's gone. She's a wiggling baby. She's fine. You want to sit? You want to sit on the table. Are you my...
Where is everybody?
Her name's Crystal. She's only 1 year old. So she's 8 months and she's a baby. I named her Crystal. Welcome back here. I put her in here for a little rat. Sometimes
Where's that Nikki? You want to say hi to Keith? Sure, say hi, Keith. Say thanks for the present.
Mama, what did Nikki get?
That Star Wars figure, huh? He sleeps with it at night.
Let him see it in the stroller. Let him see her in the stroller.
Okay, move back, dear. You're a little too close to the camera. Move the animal back. Let's see you guys ride some of your favorite bikes for Keith.
Yeah! Woo! I'm gonna do jump
We should take you to the front door. Here comes a crazy Nick. Fearless Nick. Look out, he's coming right for us. Ah!
We're almost into the mailbox.
You better be scared, except for our kids. When we moved in, they knew we had kids in about a minute. No, back up the hill, Nick. Okay. Whoa, you crashed. What are you doing, young lady?
Making a sport. I have a pen and not. Here, look. I'm making a whole
Like
I'm
the
making
house.
it straight. You know, this time.
Okay.
So now, stop.
Stop. Stop. Okay, let's go like this.
Now try jump rope one more time.
And Stacy holds it right from here. Mommy,
Say hi to Michael.
hi, Mom.
Did you have fun at Pirates Cove?
No. Mama, come
first time they've been out of the house in 2 days since they got the Care Bear movie. They've been glued to the television set.
Oh, I'm going to take a bath now. Will you sing with me?
Sure. I love somebody
I want to tell
who
I love
somebody
I won't tell
who.
her. I love some. Will you sing with me?
How much?
100.
Uh-oh. You gonna love him forever?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Nobody else in your life but Keith, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What were you gonna name your brother if you had a baby brother? What was his name gonna be?
Christopher. I mean Keith.
Yeah, 'cause we love Keith, huh?
Yeah.
We love Michael, too. We miss you guys.
Yeah, I miss you. Look at the room.